Hey everyone, how's it going? We're getting things set up here real quick. We're gonna have a short, quick stream today. A very quick one. A very quick, short stream. Let's see if we can get it to work. Just getting things set up here really quick. And then let me see here. Okay, clicking buttons. All right. Okay, 1 second. Seeing if we can get everything set up here. I think I'll just click that button there. I think let's see that. All right, here we go. We'll see if we can do 2 streams today. One stream now for 20 minutes, and then I've got to go for a meeting, and then another stream maybe a little bit later, and maybe a little bit later. All right, let me see here. Click this button. Not that. Nope. Here we go. Click this button here. Okay. Perfect. Okay. All right. I think we just have to get going. We just have to get going. Let me try one more time to see, make sure it looks good here. Okay. All right. All right. Let's just see how that goes. Let me click this button over here. One moment here. We're just getting things set up here real quick. I was wondering. Okay. All right. I figured as much. All right. That sounds fine. All right. Here we go. Let's click that button there. Okay. How's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. We're just getting things set up here really quick. All right. We're gonna be updating our code here, our Python code, to build a real game. A real game. I want to make a real game out of it. We have exactly 20 minutes. We have 20 minutes. It'll work. It'll work perfectly fine. All right. So let's get into it. Let me see over here. So let's jump back into some of our code. All right. So what I want to do is sort of organize the code a bit. I want to organize it. So let's clean some things up here. We know that looks good. Well, we don't need that for now. We don't need to print some of the things. All right. Let me start getting some things cleaned up. We got 20 minutes and we'll be perfectly fine. All right, so here's our main game loop. What we should do is we could abstract like drawing player into its own function and then drawing the AI into a function. I think that would be really neat. To abstract those two, keep those things separate. I think and then we should also have like a game state that we can keep everything and access everything from there instead of having a whole bunch of different globals like this, just to keep things clean. So we could have like a game underscore state, maybe something like that equals like an object, so we can keep things nice and tidy and clean. I think that's a good start. And then we'll have the AI, or I guess I think we just call it AI. And then actually 1 second, let me see if we can do this in Python. I'm not sure if we can do this in Python. Can we say can we do this? Or see, okay, that's what I thought. Okay, it needs to be in quotes. So the AI will have a couple of things inside of it. So it'll have the model. It will have which will be this right here, right? And then it will have the position. So model none for now, and then position. There we go. And it'll be like the 2D vector thing over here. Where is that at? Oh, here's AI position. Perfect. So we can have this as this, something like that. And then we can have it like this. I like this organization. I think this is a good organization. There we go. Looking good there. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Keep going. All right. One moment. Model. So this would be the artificial intelligence, or the enemy, right? The enemy. The AI's state, and so things like the speed of the AI, like speed. So speed, things like that. We could also abstract it, but we don't need to. I don't think we need to. So I'll just say it's like 10. What do we have it set to now? When the AI moves, what do we have it set to? Okay, so we could. Okay, so I got it. So we're doing a division right now. And it would be better. Okay, it would be better if we did like something like a speed, like 0.5. That'll be the speed, and we'll multiply the speed. I think that's a good idea. We'll multiply the speed. I think that's good. All right, position We'll have this, and we'll put it at the center of the screen. Excellent. Okay. And then we need to have the user, so the player. Here's the player. Okay. Then we want, so let's see here. You know what? I want to double check to see if everything still works. Let's see if it still works. Python game. Oh, we got oh, 1 second. All right, where is that? Should work perfectly fine. What is that talking about? An error? What did it mean? Why is that? Why is that a problem? So player AI game state right here. Where's the error at? Where's the error at? Let me see here. Wait, that's perfectly fine. Why is that a problem? It's like the error's right here. No, it's not. There's no problem there. Was never closed. Oh, okay. Oh, really? Really? No way. Because here, right? It's, oh, there I see. Okay. We're being silly, you guys. We're being silly. All right. Perfect. Okay. Now we should be good, and it should work perfectly fine. Okay. Speed. Oh, right. I forgot already. Just like little simple things, like keeping things simple here. All right. Undo that. Perfect. And then I like things nice and tidy and aligned here. Excellent. Hey, how's it going? My name Rock. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're doing a quick little short stream here. We've got 14 minutes. Then you got to get going. So let's see. Speed AI model player. And the player will have a position. Excellent. And then it will just be it's just a straight up pi game. We'll just put it like 0, 0, like doesn't matter. Because it's based on, we'll say 1, 1, I think is fine. Based on where the player is located is based on the cursor. The mouse cursor. My name Rock, how's it going? Are you building anything exciting these days? Are you building anything exciting? Let me know. Let me know if you're building anything exciting. Right now we're building an AI game with real AI, like not pretend AI, like full on AI. You can even see we're using Torch here. We're using Torch. So we've got the player position. Is there anything else we should probably have like if there's like a player health or something? But I think it's going to be a one-hit game. It's a one-hit game. Oh, we also need the current. Hey Torva, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're going to take the game that we built yesterday and we're going to make it into a real game. So I'm going to like organize it in like some nice generalized abstraction, and it's all going to be in one file. One giant file, which you'd be like, well, shouldn't you have it in multiple? No, we don't. This game is simple enough, and I want to add sound effects and some pretty graphics. Well, some graphics, let's say. We don't need it to be like super pretty or anything advanced, but like colors. We should add some colors in. Okay. Player position looks good. Speed. Okay, so we fixed that. Oh, 1 second. My timer's going off. I gotta go grab that really quick. So I said, oh no, this should be fine. Oh right, because screen isn't even defined yet. Screen isn't defined. Here we go. So we need to have some stuff up here, and then I need to import. I'm going to import this, and we're going to have it all inside the game state. It'll be all inside the game state there. Right now, we don't need, so like running will be a game state item, all these other things. And I might change the name of the game state. I'll be right back. I got to, something, 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Be right back 1 second. Let me, we'll be right back. Okay, there we go. Oh, all right. So let's keep on going. Let's see if we can keep going here. Let's get more into it. All right, so I moved all that stuff over there. The game should start up and run now. All right, excellent. It's starting to run. Okay, so this is like the main premise of the game, right? So you've got an AI that's learning where the player is, and then eventually, so we need to have like a different mode. How many training sessions is it going to have? How many training sessions do we want it to have? Like that'll be based on like the current level or the difficulty. And we need to add collision. So when you actually run in, if you actually hit if you actually run in and collide between the two circles. Like all we have to do is it's really simple math. It's really simple math. All we have to do is calculate the radius between the two, and if or just the distance. Just the distance between the two based on the center. And then we be able to see if they collide. Because right now they don't collide, right? If you just hit in the center, there's no collision. So that's something also we could do. We could also do that. All right. Let's close that for now. All right. So some of the things we can do to make some improvements there. I think we can make some improvements. Okay, let's see here. So, hey, Sachin, hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We've got 10 minutes to go, and then I've got to jump to a meeting. We're just getting things set up here. Hey, Shadow, how's it going? Good to see you. What crazy things are we doing today? We're gonna take the game that we made. The game that we made yesterday, and we're gonna make it into a real game, like a full-on real game, you guys. I think it'll be pretty neat. I think that'll be pretty neat. I think it's a good plan. Shadow, good to see you. Welcome on in. What are we doing today? So we made an AI game, a real like not like pretend, like full on like real AI. The AI is able to sort of like chase you. It's an AI that chases you, right? So you're this green circle. You're the green circle, and the AI is chasing you, and it's actually learning too. So the plan is, hey Mohammed, welcome on in. Good to see you. We're gonna turn this into a real game. We're gonna make it into a real game. So right now, like the base of the game actually is a lot of fun. I want to add like levels of difficulty, right? So level 1, and then I want to have like an intro screen and have some other stuff and add some music and sound effects. And then once we get to that, we get to a certain point, we can release the game. We can release it, and we'll make it free. It's a free game. We'll put it on like the App Store. We'll make it on the App Store. I think that will be a really fun item to do. So we've got all of our play speed, game vector, so player position, so these sorts of things. I'm wondering, do I want to, instead of making a game state, I think this is fine. I mean, I'd much rather use like dot notation, but now I have to use like bracket and quote marks in order to navigate these different things. Okay, thanks. Nice. Very nice. All right, that's good to hear. All right, let me check over here. Let me pull this in over here. 1 second. I'm adjusting my windows over here. I'm adjusting my windows. Here we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. All right, a little bit better now. A little bit better. Hey, sent floating heart for 10 jewels. Thank you. And a combined floating heart for 10 more jewels. Jay's, thank you. JZC. Thank you. I appreciate it. What is it? Hey, Quantified Quantum, welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We have 7 minutes, then I got to get going. We're gonna try to make we'll be back maybe later. I'm gonna be back later today. We're turning the game that we made into yesterday, the AI that chases you down, into a real game. So I'm gonna organize it. I'm gonna organize it now. Shadow, hey, how's it going? Saw your hi there. Saw your hi again. Jay-Z, thank you for the combined floating hearts and 10 jewels. Hi, you just joined. What are you coding today? Bully Seti. We're building an AI game. It's a real AI with real AI. And see, it chases you. The AI chases you. And it learns where you're at, and it learns to chase you. And so what we'll do is I'm going to make it into multiple levels. I'm going to make multiple levels. And so we're going to organize it today. And then we'll have sound effects and all those sorts of things. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Hey, Kaga Devishaw, how's it going? Kaga Devishaw, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're building a game. This is what we're gonna do. We're really building a game. I'm actually really excited about it. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be pretty nifty. All right, here we go. So, make AI pulse in size. Yes, exactly. Oh, there we go. Modify. It's a size like width. Let's do size. There we go. Size, current size. How big? It's saying it's current 120. I think it's currently set to 120. Perfect. I want to make this cleaner. I want to make this cleaner. You can tell me, Vishal, call you Vishal? Okay. Like Weeshal. Oh, Weeshal. Okay. I'll try. I don't know if I'll remember that. That's because it's not. I see it. Kage Dev Weeshal. Okay. I'll try to remember Weeshal. We'll see if we can make that possible. All right, here we go. So, we got our model, right? This is going to be the model for the AI. Then it will be here. This is where the model is going to be set. Question, but can you try Pytorch without GPU? Yes, that's what we're doing actually right now. Laptop doesn't have a GPU. You don't need a GPU for AI. You don't. And in this case, we don't even need a GPU either. So we're using full CPU mode. Even though we have a GPU, we're not using it. We're just going to be using CPU only for the game. So that way it keeps it simple and clean and easy. So it's portable. So it's easy and portable. Use a data class, Stephen. Oh, what's a data class? I'm not familiar with that. So Python data class. Python data class. What is this? What is a Python data class? Because I want to see. Let's go into AI mode, please. I want to see what that looks like. Data class. Oh, look at that. What is this? I haven't seen this before. This is what yes, much better. Much better. All right, so product class name. Okay, name street. This is, okay, excellent. Excellent. That is very nice. This will help a lot. All right, so can we do multi-level? Can it go multiple levels deep? Can we like so I want to class like level low, multiple levels of deep. Like multiple dots, you guys. We got 4 minutes. Instead of circles, how about a public domain cartoon character? Oh, I see where you're talking about that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Mohan, that's a good idea. I like that. I like it. Yes, it can. Nice. Okay, perfect. That's what I want. Okay, so all right. So what does that look like? What's it look like when multiple levels, more levels beyond first level? What look like? Okay, let's see if the AI. Yep, you think so? Nice. Shadow, you're back. Excellent. Nested. Perfect. I want nesting. Okay, so got it. Okay, so we need to define them on single level. This is clean though. This is very clean. Okay, so we'll have like the AI, then we'll have the player, and then we'll have the game. Okay, that works. That works nice. And then the game itself, it'll be a class, and the game will have instantiations of those things. Okay. I think that sounds good. What's field? Hold on. What's field? What is this? What is field here? What? It's not even used. Is it? Okay. So, okay. I see here. Okay. All right, I see how that goes. Thank you for the 100 jewel, the 2 jewel. Thank you for all the jewels. I don't know what that is, but thank you. Thank you, Shadow One. That's amazing. What are you doing over there? I know we only got 3 minutes to go. We got 3 minutes to go, and then I got to go because street, city, yes, address. Nice. We did it. Thank you for all those jewels. What is this? What you doing? I just see it's like a whole bunch of pop-ups on the screen. You took over my entire chat window. I can't see what's going on anymore. Thank you. I appreciate it. Combined, I see 100. That's amazing. Well, thank you, Shadow. What is that? Does anyone know? I don't know what that is. Okay, so this is what we got to do here. Thank you again. I appreciate it. That is wonderful to see. Field. Okay, so we might need this. Okay, sounds good. That's amazing. Thank you. Oh, sent high five. All right, for 100 jewels. Appreciate it. All right, let's see. Is this something that we have? Do we have data class? Python. Okay. Do we have this here? We do. All right. It's an automatic thing. Okay. Perfect. Excellent. Thank you, Shadow 1K5. I appreciate it. I don't know what that's a good day. Hey, Elvis, good to see you. Good day. We're happy to all have you here. We're gonna thank you again for the more jewels. I actually do have to go in 1 minute and 30 seconds. I have an important meeting that I gotta go to. But you're giving me all those jewels. I wish I could stay longer. I would love to stay longer. I think that would be really awesome. But I do got to get going. I do. It's real. It's the things that need to happen. Thank you, Shadow One. You see on my screen right now, it's just a whole bunch of scrolling. Also, I can see it's like all this scrolling happening. It's just scroll, all these for jewels. Thank you. Appreciate it. And that's what I see on my screen. That's what I see over here. Okay. So, all right, we got 60 seconds. We got 60 seconds left. Let's see if we can get one thing. So let's do class player like this. And then it's at, what was that? What did that look like? At data class is what we want? Data class. Okay, at data class. Perfect. That's what we do. Okay, so at data class. Player looks good. Oh, we don't even need the parens. We just need a colon. Okay, perfect. Colon. Okay, so player will have position. Excellent. And then Oh, data type. Stir int data. Okay, class. Okay, so it would be. I guess we'll just say none for now. We'll say none because I don't know what it's gonna be called. All right, we got 20 seconds. Oh, I gotta go. What's the file header about? What's the file header about? What do you mean? I gotta go. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back a little bit later. It's got 8 seconds. I got 8 seconds. Finally, some good streamer. I know, Rando, thank you. Subscribe real quick. We'll be back later today. I gotta go. I've got a meeting that I gotta attend. An important meeting that I really want to attend. Someone we gotta talk to. It was good to see everyone. I gotta get going. Thank you. We'll be back later today. We'll be writing more of the game, and it's gonna be neat. I'm really excited about it. We'll add sound effects and make it pretty. All right, bye guys. See you in a bit later today. Later, about an hour. In about an hour.